Best deals.
1. Pan rack. Organize pots, pans, and lids with 8 adjustable tiers to create a tidy and spacious kitchen. Fits on countertops or inside cabinets. The 8-tier design allows you to easily adjust shelves to fit various pot and pan sizes, providing flexible and personalized kitchen storage solutions. Made from high-quality metal, this rack ensures long-lasting use. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Matka stand. Mud pot stand for drinking water saves space as well as water glass stand. Water stand for kitchen is made of stainless steel material. Stand is designed for flat-bottomed water pots only. It features a beautiful and trendy design with a unique style and long-lasting shine. Easy to fill bottles, cups, or pitchers from your filters, not just a short cup due to 8.5-inch height. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cutlery tray. The food-safe finish on all surfaces and gentle for cutlery. This cutlery divider is not only to be used as an organizer but to make your kitchen more beautiful. Drawer organizer is not only limited to kitchen use, you can also use it as a silverware organizer for keeping your precious jewelry, or for organizing office supplies, cosmetics, manual tools, makeup accessories and much more. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Wall-mounted metal kitchen rack. Comes with 2 plastic cutlery boxes, cup holders and hooks for hanging spatulas, spoons, ladles, and other kitchen accessories. Made from high-quality materials ensuring long-lasting durability and stability. Ideal for daily kitchen use. Sleek, compact design that complements any kitchen decor while maximizing storage space. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Dish drying rack. Has a durable plastic drainboard and premium stainless steel which can effectively prevent rust and deformation. And you can clean the rack easily by rinsing it under a running tap. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Microwave stand. Rack is easily adjustable between 2 points based on needs. You can adjust the height through different hole when you install it. Stand is made with powder-coated metal which gives an elegant look. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cutlery holder. Crafted of hard solid plastic and has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Cutlery organizer comes with 3 storage compartments which allow you to organize the space for your cutlery such as spoon, fork, chopstick, knives, spatula, ladle and 4 hanging hooks. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Double drain shelf. Made from a high-quality metal frame plus food-grade plastic which are naturally BPA-free. With the drain tray, you can use it for cups, mugs, fruits. Without the drain tray, it can be used in the kitchen, bathroom, office, and even under the sink. With this elegant and well-designed organizer, you can better use your home spaces and make your home cleaner and tidier. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Silicone dish drying mat. Expertly crafted from flexible silicone, this durable mat is heat and water resistant, ensuring long-lasting strength for everyday kitchen use. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Kitchen storage trolley. Can be used on its own or stackable. This will save your valuable space, perfect for storage and display, enough for fruits, vegetables, towels, kids' toy, food, snack, craft supplies, and so much more. The mesh basket of the rolling cart can create vertical storage space wherever needed. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Oven stand. This 3-tier oven floor top stand is specifically tailored for accommodating OTGs and tall kitchen appliances, making it a practical choice for modern kitchens. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Spice rack. Offers 2 spacious tiers, allowing you to efficiently store a wide range of kitchen items. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Wooden dish rack. This dish rack has 6 slots, ideal for dishes and plates. The stand holds up to 12 plates easily. You can keep 2 plates in one slot. This plate stand is perfect for kitchen with limited countertop space. Its design is so unique and attractive. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Drainer rack. Oversized design holds a full load of washed dishes. This spacious dish drying basket easily fits plates, bowls, cups, and cutlery. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Under sink storage organizer. It can be easily assembled within 2 minutes by connecting 4 support tubes to the baskets. No tools required. It will not break the furniture or wall without hole punching installation. The baskets are made of high-quality ABS plastic materials. 4 support tubes adopt spray painting and thickening wrought iron body, good rust prevention and supporting heavy. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Cutlery tray basket. Ideal sized with multiple compartments to fit various sized items like pencils, pens, paper clips, crafting materials, toiletries, beauty products, grooming tools, and more. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Organizer. The basket is durable and rust-free, ensuring shine and longevity. It has a coating of nickel chrome mirror finish helping in resisting daily scratches and avoids leaving fingerprint, fitting hardware included, very easy to fit with telescopic channel. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Expandable cutlery organizer. Each kitchen drawer organizer is equipped with an expandable feature, allowing for easy adjustment to fit various drawer sizes. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Dish drainer. The drainer can hold up to 6 thalis and 10 plates and the bottom mesh is for holding utensils like spoons, forks, cups, bowls, glass, knives. It allows you to save time for drying the plates by any other task and also gives an organized look to your kitchen. One can assemble the product in minutes and enjoy the convenience of dry utensils for another meal. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Kitchen organizer rack. Use this versatile rack as a kitchen cabinet organizer, spice rack, bathroom shelf, or under desk storage. Its compact design makes it suitable for any room in your home, transforming unused space into valuable storage. Comes with 4 metal pipes, 8 plates, 2 side frames, and 8 screws for simple, hassle-free assembly. Its smooth, glossy finish ensures effortless cleaning. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Storage rack. Extendable rack for kitchen with stainless steel rods, making it a better than shelves for kitchen made with white or black powder coated iron rods. This shelf rack as it can effortlessly hold weight of up to 7 kilograms of lightweight items when evenly distributed. Putting together this rack is super easy. The package includes a manual with detailed assembly instructions, and it's easy to install and can be set up in minutes, with no tools required. This multi-purpose stand has a stylish design that adds a contemporary and appealing look to your home. Additionally, the rods of adjustable rack come with caps to ensure your safety during installation. Product link is given in the 21st link.